Hey, what's up? This is DJ Breen Truded, and I'm back out at Six Flags Frontier City. And while I was out of town for Roller Coaster Rodeo, the old Diamondback opened up for the weekend. It had previously been closed for over a year, and apparently, before I even made it back to town, it broke back down again. If you look this way, both in the return station and the main station, there's not even a train on the track. So that's not a good sign at all. I don't think that this coaster will be operating at all this year. On closer inspection, I found the train. It looked like it valleyed at the bottom of the first drop. So that's not a good sign. I wonder if they all had to be evacuated. Next up, I thought I'd check on the Gunslinger. This ride has been problematic too for over a year now, and it is closed today. It opened up earlier in the spring, so I had hopes that it would be open this summer, but it has broke down again. Yet another ride just like Diamondback that desperately needs to be replaced. Well, it looks like the Silver Bull is open. So I'm gonna go for a ride on that. So at least it's not a wasted trip to the park. I'll get one coaster ride for today.
Look at the other rides that y'all might want to see.
Okay, I just got off the Silver Bullet. It was good. I think the last time I rode it earlier this spring, when I rode it in the back, it was way more intense. Kind of took the breath out of me then. But this time it was just good. All the elements were great. The whole thing's so old though, it smells like oil and grease. So I don't know what's going on with that. So anyway, let's go check out the Wildcat and see what's going on with the repaint. This is new right here. It's not a ride, it's where a ride used to be. But apparently you can buy a bag of dirt and take it through this little prospecting kind of thing, silver mine. You can pan for gems and silver in dirt. I'm not sure how much it costs to do, but that's the newest attraction that they have. So I'm looking at the Wildcat, as it goes by. And it looks like they've done repainting it. The supports are black and the track is orange. And it looks really nice compared to how it did look. It was kind of old and weathered and it looked like the wood was chipping away and stuff like that. But they did a pretty good job. Let's go ride it and see how it rides. Spoiler alert, but I'm going to be riding this very, very soon. There's a little nostalgia for you. That's my first coaster right there, the Zingo at Hell's Amusement Park.
That's more painful or more
The Waterworks is open. Whoa, right in the gut. Whoa, water. Out. Hello, I just got off the Wildcat. Back row was fun. I still like the front row better, I think, on this ride. It's not that intense in the back row. I mean, this is an old Woody. It's kind of rickety. So, I mean, it's going to be the same experience pretty much either way. Let's go check out the Waterworks section since that hasn't been open the last few times we've been out here. I'm not really dressed for swimming though, but I'll just take you guys for a look around. Here's another shot of the Wildcat paint supports. Looks really nice. That black looks really, really, really good. So we're coming up on the Wild West Waterworks. Looks pretty nice. Just like this park, something over here has got to be closed, and it's the water slide. That sucks. That would have been fun to do. Let's look at what they do have open. It's like a big old splash structure. Got a few little bitty slides on it, stuff like that. It's got a giant bucket there at the top. I think it spills water every few minutes. But looks like everybody's having a good time. Well, I think that's going to wrap it up for me. Just a short little trip to the park. I just wanted to come out here and see what was going on with Diamondback and Gunslinger. I think the train is closed too. I didn't get a chance to ride that this year either. I would have liked to have some footage of that, but it's closed as well. I really want to like this park, but it's so hard, especially after going to Six Flags Fiesta, Texas a couple weeks ago for Roller Coaster Rodeo. I mean, that was one of the best experiences of my life when it comes to these amusement parks and stuff like that. And it's hard to beat. In Frontier City, it's just, I don't know, it needs so much money and investment and new rides. and new shows and just new everything. It's just, I don't know. It's just, like I said, I want to like it. I live right next to this park, but as long as it stays like this, I'm just going to keep going elsewhere.